Hi there, students. To cook the books. This means to falsify the data, to fudge the figures. This is particularly used financially, where somebody manipulates the accounting information to show what they want it to show. I think particularly the accountant cooked the books in order to be able to embezzle, steal money from the company. So to cook the books, this is to manipulate the data, to massage the statistics, to make false entries in the financial records for fraud, to avoid tax, to avoid making a profit, to avoid giving your partner what is owed to them. So this is to manipulate the accounting, but particularly illegally. But you can also use this to cook the books, talking about to falsify data, to change the story. I think it's more commonly used in accounting, the use of illegal accounting, but to falsify the story, to cook the books, to falsify the records of an organization or a company. So when you are accused of cooking the books, what are you going to use as your excuse? You have to send the paperwork, but you're not going to be able to because you've been cooking the books. Well, if you're smart when you cook the books, you also create the paperwork that goes with it. When the auditors came to the company and looked at the accounts, it was very clear that she had been cooking the books and there was a lot of money missing. A business partner of his had been cooking the books. Many officials or many politicians cook the books with public money in order to steal the money, to embezzle the money, to inflate revenue, to inflate expenses, to pump up profit or to bring it down, to use tricks to manipulate financial data. And cooking the books, well, this is a phrase from the 18th century or probably early. I think people have been cooking books since money first existed. But well, this is something that happens. So to cook the books, to alter the facts, to alter the figures, dishonestly, illegally. When it came to light that he'd been cooking the books, he was fired. The directors of the company made millions from cooking the books before the investigators caught them. So to alter the official accounting records, to deceive, to mislead, you can cook the books in a million different ways. The government can cook the books to show that they have cut spending when they haven't. You could reduce a surplus or increase a deficit by cooking the books. And I think financial statistics, when you produce financial statistics, it's almost by definition that you cook the books, because you're showing the idea that you want to show. You're analysing the books in favour of yourself. Although I think cook the books goes further and is fraud. Yes, I think you can massage the statistics to help it show what you want it to show. But to cook the books is where you actually fiddle, you falsify the records, you invent numbers, you add things that don't exist. So cook the books for informality. It's this idea of a recipe where you change the ingredients to alter and improve the taste of the food that you have made. So anyway, to cook the books.